Let's learn DreamFace together. So I've been trying to figure out how to utilize this, and I'm just having a hard time, but I'm going to share with you what I have figured out. So to get started, I've already had tried to do something here, and I couldn't get it to work or go away. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and set up an audio file, because I don't want that music behind. I want my own audio. So I picked my 2K mix, and then I went in and tried to set it where I wanted to start and where I wanted to stop at. So I got that portion of it set up. And then after I went in and set it up, I went back to the regular screen, and instead of just clicking on it, I decided I'm going to go ahead and select the background, because I don't want to do that project no more. So I picked my background of Primo Rice and Bridges, the ball player, and so I'm changing the background. Now it does take a little bit of time to get the background changed, but you just basically have to wait it out. All right, so this part, changing the background, does take a little bit of time, so I tried to speed up through this video so you wouldn't have to wait as long. And then once it came back, then it showed me the background, but you can still see some of that other background behind it. I have tried to clear the cache, and I just have not figured it out. But this is just to get me started and to help you out, because ain't nobody sitting up here trying to tell us what to do next. Now, next time it's time to render the face. This process takes at least about 5 minutes. So I'm going to speed that up for you, okay? I end up having to delete some of it, but here comes the animation. Check it out.
2K put me in the game, I'm trying to win. Dribble left, cross right, headed to the rim. Take me off the bench, coach, yeah, I'm trying to win. Star player in the game, now I'm going in. Star player in the game, now I'm going in. Star player in the game.
Now, if you guys notice that you can still see some of that previous video flashing through there, I am still trying to figure this DreamFace ID out, and I haven't seen anybody post anything that I can learn something from. It's like it's prohibited. So I guess if it gets banned, it gets banned. But I can see the previous video going through there. I've even went in and cleared the cache to try to get that. The only thing I probably could have did was probably did a new project, which I might try that later and see if that works. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, because here's a how to do thing, and I mean, it's more than what I've seen. So if you've seen more, please comment below. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe and like. Thank you.